mismo que mis tías. Vamos a ver qué tiene este bicho feo. Me dicen que tienen un trago aquí, pero de los buenos. Ajá. Ajá, cabal. Eso es lo que andaba buscando yo. Este sí es de los buenos.
Today we're taking you to Long Beach, California to Wille's Tin Shop to show you how to make la Bala. You're going to want to start off by pouring half an ounce of simple syrup, half an ounce of lemon juice, and then the next step you're going to want to add is some Long Beach water. Now this is not just your regular vodka. This is a 99 proof vodka developed here at Wille's Tin Shop. And we had this at our Pupusas Comedy and Beer Show, and let me tell you, people loved it. The next thing you're going to want to do is add some ice to it. Now you can get this drink here at Wille's Tin Shop located inside of Roxanne's in Long Beach, California, or you can order it online at willie'stinshop.com. Either way, it's delicious. And like you see here, she's pouring ice. The next step you're going to want to do is add your cola champan. Now, cola champan is like a sweet cream soda, and together with this vodka, it makes a powerful drink. That's why they call it La Bala. If you want to order online, check out willie'stinshop.com, or if you want to learn more, check out our other YouTube video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, drink responsibly.
No, hombre, este trago sí está fuerte. Ya ni las patas siento. Uy, no. Vámonos, seguimos.